November is Diabetes Awareness Month. Did you know diabetes impacts 1 in 10 Canadians and it comes in 2 different types? Diabetes can also impact the health of your feet, which is why it is so important to see your foot care expert at BioPed regularly if you're diabetic. However, when you're at home, here are a few simple tips that you can use to maintain your foot health if you're a diabetic. First of all, let's understand how diabetes impacts the feet. Diabetic foot care is different than regular foot care because foot problems in diabetics can lead to serious complications. Diabetes can cause damage to the nerves, including nerves in the legs and feet. If you do not feel hot and cold temperatures in your feet, you may not be aware of the weakening muscles or any infections that you may have. Diabetes also impacts the flow of blood. Without ample blood flow, it takes longer for a sore or wound to heal. If you have an infection in your legs or foot, it may not heal properly because of poor blood flow. Reduced blood flow also puts you at a higher risk for developing ulcers. In terms of what you can do at home, here are a few tips and tricks that you can use to maintain your foot health if you're diabetic. Wash your feet in warm water using a mild soap. Do not soak your feet, as this can dry out your skin, especially if you are using harsh chemicals or fragrances. Dry your feet thoroughly, especially between your toes. Inspect your feet and between your toes to make sure there are no cuts, cracks, ingrown toenails, blisters, or abnormalities. Use a small mirror to see the bottom of your feet or ask someone else to check them for you. Trim your toenails straight across and file any sharp edges. Do not cut the nails too short and avoid rounding them. Apply a good lotion to your heels and soles. Wipe off any excess lotion that is not absorbed. Don't put any lotion between your toes, as the excessive moisture can promote infection. Wear fresh, clean socks and well-fitting shoes every day. Whenever possible, wear white socks if you have a cut or sore. The drainage will be easier to see. At BioPed Footcare, we offer risk-free complimentary diabetic assessments at all of our clinics nationwide. To schedule your risk-free assessment and speak to one of our foot care experts, please visit www.bioped.com/locations.